Imagine a massive rock taller than the Statue of Liberty hurtling through space, heading straight for Earth. Sounds like science fiction, right? But on August 8th, 2025, NASA confirmed that not one, but two giant asteroids, one over 300 feet wide, will make a close flyby of our planet. What does this mean for us? Could they hit Earth? And if they did, what would happen? Today, we're diving deep into the science, the risks, and the reality behind these space visitors. Stay tuned. First, let's get to know the asteroids. The largest, named 2025 OJ1, is estimated to be over 300 feet in diameter. That's about the height of a 30-story building. The second, 2019 CO1, measures around 200 feet across. Both will pass Earth at a safe distance, but close enough to capture scientists' full attention. To put it into perspective, these rocks are comparable to the ones believed to have caused the Tunguska event in 1908, an explosion powerful enough to flatten over 800 square miles of Siberian forest. But NASA's tracking systems have calculated that the paths of both asteroids will not intersect with Earth. The risk of impact? Practically zero. Still, it's the kind of event that reminds us how much space debris is out there, constantly orbiting the sun. So how does NASA know these asteroids won't hit us? Thanks to a network of telescopes and space observatories, NASA tracks thousands of near-Earth objects, or NEOs, every day. Using radar and optical measurements, scientists calculate the exact orbit of these objects, predict their future positions, and estimate the probability of any collision with Earth. This data is continuously updated to refine predictions. NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office is tasked specifically with tracking potentially hazardous asteroids and planning deflection missions if needed. Fortunately, the 2025 OJ1 and 2019 CO1 pose no threat, but their close flybys give scientists valuable data on asteroid behavior. Now let's imagine a worst-case scenario. What if an asteroid like 2025 OJ1 did strike Earth? What would the consequences be? Scientists estimate that an asteroid of this size, roughly 300 feet across, would release energy equivalent to thousands of nuclear bombs. The impact would create a crater over a mile wide, and the shockwave would devastate everything within hundreds of miles. Cities would be destroyed, and massive fires would likely follow. However, unlike the asteroid that caused the extinction of the dinosaurs, which was over 6 miles wide, this asteroid wouldn't cause a global extinction event. Its effects would be catastrophic locally, but not worldwide. Moreover, much depends on the impact location. If it hit an ocean, it could trigger massive tsunamis, threatening coastal cities. If it landed in a populated area, casualties would be high. This is why early detection and preparedness are vital. So what can we do to protect ourselves? The good news is NASA and other space agencies around the world are developing technologies to defend Earth from asteroid impacts. One promising approach is called the kinetic impactor technique, essentially sending a spacecraft to collide with the asteroid to alter its course slightly. NASA's DART mission, which successfully changed the trajectory of asteroid Dimorphos in 2022, proved this method works. Another idea involves gravitational tractors, spacecraft that use their own gravity to pull an asteroid off course over time. More advanced concepts include nuclear explosions near the asteroid to nudge it away, but these carry more risks. Ultimately, early detection is key. The more time we have to react, the better chance we have to prevent disaster. For now, there's no need to panic about the asteroids flying by in August 2025. NASA's tracking and planetary defense systems keep a vigilant eye on threats. But it's important for us to stay informed and support space science and planetary defense efforts. Public awareness leads to funding and innovation, which keeps us safe. If you're fascinated by space and want to learn more about how the universe around us works, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. We'll keep bringing you the latest updates and deep dives into cosmic phenomena.